Blocking someone on X, Twitter, in 2026 is a quick and effective way to protect your privacy and control who can interact with you on the platform. If you're dealing with spam, unwanted messages, harassment, or simply prefer not to see someone's content, the blocking feature can help create a more comfortable experience. To block a user, open the X app on your Android phone and visit the profile of the person you want to block. Once you're on their profile page, tap the three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will appear with several options, including the ability to block the account. Select the block option and X will display a confirmation message explaining what happens when a user is blocked. Confirm your choice and the block will be applied immediately. After blocking someone, they won't be able to follow your account, send you direct messages, or interact with your posts in the same way they could before. This feature is especially useful for reducing unwanted interactions and keeping your social media experience more enjoyable. The blocked user is not directly notified that they've been blocked, although they may realize it if they try to visit your profile. It's worth noting that blocking is not permanent. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the person's profile and remove the block at any time. Many users rely on this feature to manage their online space and avoid unnecessary distractions or negative interactions. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can successfully block someone on X, Twitter, in 2026 and take greater control over who can engage with you on the platform.